Bah Pyniaid Sing Syiem CEM Khadc haka arphawai tarik Risaw ula plie ya ka lympung pynmih paidbah jangka office Chief Postmaster General NE Circel bala kyrteng meghapex arhajar arpusaw ya ki stam bapynmih nyngkong daka post office bala pynlong arsngi ha State Convention Center Shillong. Haka jingkren lyngkot Bah Pyniaid Sing Syiem ula pynpaw ya ka jingsngewsarong baka post office kala pynmih ya ka first day cover stamp ya ka Dur Jong ka Khadc bala thoh haka ktien Hindi Phareng mat Khasi. Ula ong dakani ka jingrung jong ka Khadc haka thup special cover stamp jong ka post office kala kantiu ya ka jing pynpryang shu ya ka nam ka kyrteng jong ka hakmat ki paidbah jong ka ri India baro ka wei. Kiriu khmat ki baladon haka ni ka jingelang plie special cover stamp kilong ka Kong I Nongrang DGP Bah Lamphrang Blah Chairman Khadc Chief Postmaster General NE Circle bat ki wei de.
Just minimum rupees 10. So when I was in school, whenever I could save some money, 1 rupee or 2 rupees, every month I used to deposit in my account in India post office. And that I really remember and could get the privilege to be part of banking system during my time, which is very difficult to go to the other nationalized banks because we have huge deficit, minimum deficit. Today I'm very happy to stand here, especially to thank the post office, Bah Pyniaid giving us this opportunity for District Council to be part of this wonderful event, and especially for us to get this opportunity to have a special cover on record. So this is achievement from Khadc and also another milestone that we will go forward from now on. So it is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today at the Meghalaya Coastal Division Philatelic Exhibition, Meghalaya 2024. This event not only celebrates the art and history of philately, but also serve as a vibrant reflection of our culture, tradition, and the rich stories that stamps can tell. Philately is more than just collecting stamps. It is a gateway to understanding our world. Each stamp captures a moment in history, a cultural landmark, or a significant event connecting us to the past while enriching our present. The theme represented in this exhibition highlights not only the natural beauty of nature and beyond, but also our shared commitment to preserving our legacy for future generations. I want to commend the Meghalaya Coastal Division for their efforts in organizing this exhibition. It is testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved, from the postal staff to the local artists and philatelists who have contributed their time and passion. Your collective efforts have brought together a community of enthusiasts who share a love for collecting and appreciating these miniature works of art. This exhibition is also an opportunity for us to encourage the younger generation to embrace philately. In a rapidly digitalizing world, it is essential that we foster a sense of curiosity and appreciation for tangible artifacts of history. Philately can ignite a passion for learning, be it about geography, art, or culture. Let us together to inspire the youth of today to explore this fascinating hobby.
Phareng thật. Mới chọn ấy cơ.
These are the exhibits that different places have gotten.
Philatelic exhibition Arhajar Risaw telah pernah dekat Post Office Division Shillong harikat ke bad ngejeng pynmih yang Postmaster General NE Circel hakabidi bad kene-kejing pynmih paidbah ikini stamps di poster bapynmih kibana duk kipor kiba khaman shwa but haduk kiniki por kiba mata kidan ki stamps but ki posters na post office kiba dei hapo jongkari India na ki states na ki jilla bapher por India kidan kiniki stamps ki post kiba dei na shabal jongkari India kum na Bhutan but kiwi ki jaka te ke ka ba pynlong kong san ni nta kasmi hangi kadai halor ka jingyo ban Rung ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hapo kani ka re India haka postal re India haka bidei bat kani ka special cover special cover la print ko ba Arhajar beli bat kawai na kata special cover kabla assignment nya da General Postmaster General NE Circel bat nak kalian cuma bat dia kani pensabha dia kani ke special cover kawai ke bani sign in original pensabha siapa National Museum Delhi kini kibabun pak kini special cover nak kalian ke post office kinsa ai yang hidup katu kan nispa beli bangin la bande nang tai na kamta kinu kishiti kiba ngin ha mangi lani mano ki members of the embassy ni ki officers ni wat ka office su padan kam ha hti la ban le da special cover ka jumi ka kani ketika ika achievement ni ka jingjok ka jumi haka sinjam jongga jingya enti haka wei pat ka benta namar ba da ka bangiyo ika ni ka special cover misuku pa kari India baru kawai haka post office lala itu yang ini de kawai kata pat kabaan pat ba hadian habut nama kani special cover la shon ya ka la ni la print ya ka tang shisia mla ban print ASEAN de kamut hadian khatsan arpusnem kani ka special cover ka jungi kan long very limited lani kan duna abha sisian bakaduna kani special cover teng kan sadan kadiman na kiwiwi ki jaka but sim babun kadiman kan Dur Jong ni special cover Khadc kuman shuan sa le sir kan poi kapor le se hadian san chipo khat san